In this session, we will explore Amazon ECS Cluster and how it should be configured for running production workloads. An Amazon ECS cluster is a logical grouping of tasks or services that allows you to manage and run containerized applications. The primary purpose of an ECS cluster is to organize your application. This organization is logical rather than physical, meaning it's a way to manage resources rather than a specific hardware grouping. When setting up an ECS cluster, you must decide on the infrastructure capacity provider that will support your tasks and services. This capacity can come in the form of EC2 instances, which offer scalable compute capacity, AWS Fargate, which is a serverless compute engine where you don't manage servers, or on-premises virtual machines if you're using ECS anywhere. For production workloads, it is advisable to enable the collection of container insights. This feature integrates with Amazon CloudWatch to provide detailed information about the performance and health of your ECS resources. Enabling this will give you visibility into metrics such as CPU and memory utilization, allowing for more effective monitoring and troubleshooting. By carefully configuring these aspects of an ECS cluster, you can create a robust and scalable environment for deploying containerized applications. Let's go ahead and create our ECS cluster. In the search bar, type ECS and select Elastic Container Service. This will open ECS Cluster Dashboard, where you will see all ECS clusters. Currently we have none, so let's create one by clicking on Create Cluster button. This will open Create Cluster window, where we can provide a name for our cluster, select the capacity provider, which can be Fargate, EC2, or external instances. For this workshop, we will use Fargate. Expand the monitoring section and also enable container insights, which will start collecting container metrics on CPU, memory, disk, and network, and will play an important role when it comes to debugging and analyzing resource utilization. Clicking on Create will start cluster creation process, and after a while, it will be available for use. Once the cluster is created, we can open it and view its details. One thing to note is that creating a cluster does not cost anything, because there are no tasks running and hence no resources provisioned. By clicking on the Metrics tab, we will see a dashboard that will provide insights into the overall health of the resources running inside the cluster. That's all for today, and see you guys next time.